Hi, my name is Reza. I'm going to solve Rubik cube with you guys. You will see that it's very simple. It is just method. I need to say to you guys two kind of information. One of them is about the cube pieces. Rubik cube included three kind of pieces regardless of the colors. I'm talking about the shape of them. First pieces are located always center of the sides. They have just one side and their location are always stable. And other pieces is located at middle of the marriage, and they have two sides. And then other pieces in terms of shape is included three sides, and they are always in the corners. We cannot expect that these three kind of pieces in terms of the shapes can relocate or can locate each other's locations. Another information is in fact language between you guys and myself. In my next three videos you will see I'm talking about the clockwise or anti-clockwise, and the right side, left side, or what's that, upside or something like that. When I will be saying to you right clockwise, it means that right anti-clockwise, left anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, up clockwise, left clockwise, front anti-clockwise, back clockwise. This is our language between you guys and I, and please have a look my next three videos about solving Rubik cube.